All right. I'm so excited. We're back for another cube. Which one are we going to open?
I'm thinking.
So far, we're looking at this one. No.
I think this one, but first go down and just show everyone the ones we have.
There we go. We've got our uncommon He-Man and 2 common Cringers. Okay. Who's it gonna be, baby?
Which one did I just say? This one?
This was the one.
Okay, then.
You sure? 3, 2.
This one!
This one! Top right! You sure? 3, 2.
This one!
3, 2,
Yes!
1. Selected. All right. Who's gonna be in it?
We really like the waffle guy.
I love Alfie.
Yeah. Who's gonna be?
I like when the lock goes inside. Yep.
Yeah. Who got?
Evil-Lyn! Alright, it's a common Evil-Lyn. We now have 2 of the 4 commons we need. Yes! Our collection is growing in the right way. Cool! Alright, so let's go back and see more about Evil-Lyn. Okay. There she is. And if we go back to our backpack, and here we go. So we have Cringer and an Evil-Lyn. Those are our 2 commons. We need Prince Adam and Triclops common. And then we've got He-Man uncommon. And we need a Battle Cat uncommon. And our original 6 will be complete. 16 more chances to go. All right. We'll be back for the next one soon, right?
Yeah.
Anything you want to tell anybody before we go?
Yeah.
What?
Show everyone the ones that we can get.
You want to go to the... Is that what you want to do? You want to see the collection?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's go down.
Yeah.
To here. Okay. So we have this and we have this.
Yeah. So we have 2 Cringers and 1
Evil-Lyn. Yep.
And him.
And a He-Man. So we need a Prince Adam and a Triclops to have all the original characters.
And
a Battle Cat and a He-Man. Right. And once we get those, we're hoping for all 4 rare elementals. And who's your... Yeah, you like the Waffle Evil-Lyn.
No, these 2 guys.
You like Pizza He-Man?
Yeah.
And Ice Cream Waffle Evil-Lyn?
Yeah, go down. Legendary, we won all of them.
Yeah. Who's your favorite? If we only had 1 legendary, who do you like best? Battle Cat?
Yeah.
Okay. If you have 1 Grail, who do you like best?
Him.
Triclops?
Yeah.
And 1 Ultra Grail, who do you like best? Ooh, hard, huh?
Yeah.
For me, it's the Grail Evil-Lyn and the Ultra Grail Battle Cat, I think. Oh, it's so hard to choose.
Yeah. I like his sword.
Oh, yeah. The black sword is pretty cool.
Yeah. I also kind of like him too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Legendary He-Man?
Yeah. Go back down to Ultra Girl.
Mm-hmm.
I have no idea.
I know.
I have no idea about the Ultra Grail.
It's so hard to choose.
Yeah.
And they're very rare, so who knows if we'll get any of those Ultra Grails or not. But maybe. I kind of like that Triclops has bacon for his collar.
Yeah, I kind of like that too.
All right, guys. Well, that's it. So our collection is growing, and you can see we have 16 more cubes to open over the next 16 days.
Yeah, but there's one more thing I gotta go. Can you go now?
Sure.
Stop. kind of like I like
The Earth Elemental Triclops?
I like earth, lightning, and fire.
And fire. Not ice?
I think it's alright.
Okay. Well, we will see.
He's
You know
like
what
a
else I
waffle
just noticed
cupcake.
about Evelyn? Look. She's ice cream. Pink, like strawberry.
Yeah, I
White,
just
like
noticed.
vanilla. And brown, like chocolate. She is what they call Neapolitan ice cream, right? With the 3 colors.
Yeah,
How
I
cool.
just noticed that. I also kind of like watermelon.
With his watermelon.
Yeah.
So, Fonz is one of the guys that made these Cryptoys. And I know that's his favorite.
Yeah.
There you go. Cool. All right, Cryptoys lovers, we will see you with the next one.
Yeah.
Bye, everybody.
It's gonna be tomorrow.
See ya.